In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using the Hostinger website builder. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to set up a blog and start sharing your thoughts and stories with the world. Whether you're looking to launch a personal blog or a portal for your business, these steps are your gateway to online presence. To kick things off, let's navigate over to Hostinger. Open up your web browser and type in the Hostinger URL. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so to access all the tools you'll need. The Hostinger platform is very user-friendly, making it easier for you to get set up quickly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Websites tab. Click on that and you'll see a list of your active websites or possibly an option to create a new one if you haven't done so already. Take a moment here to ensure you're on the right page. Creating a blog becomes a lot more intuitive when you have a clear view of the options available. Next, locate your desired website. You should see an Edit Website button next to it. Clicking on this will take you to the Website Builder interface, which is where all the magic happens. Here in the builder, you have access to various customization options. Look around, get a feel for the layout, but for now stay focused on our next step. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a series of icons. These are your key tools for designing and managing your site. Find the one labeled Blog and click on it. This is your portal to developing your blog section. Hostinger does a fantastic job of streamlining blog creation, making it straightforward even if you're new to this. After clicking on Blog, your next task is to add content. And what better way to start than by creating a new post? You'll find an Add New Post button within this section. Click on it, and you'll be greeted by a blank canvas ready for your input. As you prepare to write your post, remember to focus on engaging headlines and content that speaks directly to your audience. This is your space to express ideas, so take your time crafting content that's both informative and engaging. With these steps complete, you've launched your first blog post using the Hostinger website builder. Each of these stages is designed to be straightforward, encouraging continuous creation and sharing. Take your time to experiment with the features available, and don't hesitate to personalize your blog until it perfectly aligns with your vision. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!